In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit a PDF file with Microsoft Word. Editing a PDF file may seem challenging at first, since PDFs are generally designed to be a fixed format. However, Microsoft Word provides a simple way to open and modify PDF files, allowing you to make changes to text, images, and formatting as needed. This method is particularly useful when you need to update reports, forms, or documents that are originally in PDF format without needing specialized PDF editing software. To start, open Microsoft Word on your computer. Once Word is open, go to the File tab located in the top left corner of the Word window. Clicking on the File tab will open a menu that contains various options, including Open, Save, and New. From this menu, select Open to browse files stored on your computer. In the Open dialog box, locate the PDF file that you want to edit. Navigate to the folder where your PDF is saved, click on the file to select it, and then click Open Word. We'll begin converting the PDF into an editable Word document. During this process, Word attempts to preserve the layout, text, and images as accurately as possible. Keep in mind that complex formatting or graphics may require minor adjustments after conversion. Once the PDF is open in Word, you can begin editing just like you would with any standard Word document. Click anywhere in the text to add, delete, or modify content. You can also format text using the tools in the Home tab, insert images, and adjust tables or other elements to suit your needs. Word gives you full flexibility to make changes while retaining much of the original structure of the PDF. After you've finished editing, it's important to save your changes. If you want to keep the file as a Word document, simply click Save or Save As and choose the DOCX format. If you need to return the file to PDF format, select Save As, and from the Save As type drop-down menu, choose PDF. This will generate a new PDF file that includes all of your edits. Editing PDFs in Microsoft Word is an easy and efficient way to update documents without requiring specialized software. By converting a PDF into Word, you can make necessary changes quickly while maintaining the original content and layout. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.